A paper from November 2020, and I'm going to do the whole thing. And the first thing is to list the members of the set A intersection B, or A and B, which means they're in this bit here, the bit in the middle. So that's 2, 4, 6 and 12. And then it says to list the members of set of not B. So not B means anything that's not within this circle. So that means, and it's just listing again, so we'll do everything that's on the outside, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and then 8, 10, and 14. Lovely. Now, it says, a number is picked at random from the numbers in the Venn diagram. Find the probability that the number is in set A, but not in set B. So it means it's got to be in this bit, but it can't be in the bit in the middle, because that's all B. So we don't want anything there, and we don't want anything there because it's not in set A. So it's just 8, 14, and 10. Now, that's fine. So that's 3 of them. This is a probability. So the probability means P equals, now there are 14 numbers altogether, and 3 of them are in set A but not in set B, and that's 3 out of 14. Here we go. Right, that's question number 1 done. We've got all those marks. Now, toy cars are made in a factory, and the toy cars are made for 15 hours each day. 5 toy cars are made every 12 seconds. So that means, I don't know exactly what the question is going to be, but we know that there are 5 lots of 12 seconds in every minute, because 60 divided by 12 equals 5. So that means that we know that there are 5 times 5, 25 cars per minute. I haven't actually looked at what this question's about. And then that means that if we times that by 60, we'll find out how many cars are made in an hour. So 60 times 25 equals 1,500, which makes sense. And then if we times that by 15, that will tell us how many cars are made in the whole day. So that's per hour, per day, which is 15 hours. Which is now, this does rather rely on the fact that it continues to do everything at the same time, at the same rate. Something could break. Who knows? For the toy cars made each day, the probability of a toy car being faulty is 0.002. Work out an estimate of the number of faulty toy cars that are made each day. So all we do is we times the 2,500 that we've got so far by the probability of being faulty. And that will give us the answer, which is apparently 45 cars are faulty every day. Which is sort of fine because toy cars aren't that important. So that's how you get 4 marks on that. Now on the grid, draw the graph of y equals 7 minus 4x from -2 to 3. Now you can make this, you can do a little thing where you do this if you want. It depends on how much time or effort you want to spend on this. So if that's x, that's y. You'll soon see this is kind of easy. So if we know 0, if we put 0 into that, we'd get y equals 7 minus 0, and that's 7. If we put 1 into that, we get y equals 7 minus 4 times 1, which is 4, so that's 3. And if we put 2 into that, we'd get 4 equals, or rather, y equals 7 minus 8, or 4 times 2, which is -1, and then I imagine it's going down by 4 every time, which it is. So that's going to be -5, that's going to be add, let's just put that one in so I can show you, y equals 7 minus 4 times -1, which equals 7 minus -4, which equals 11, which is just adding 4 on, and then we add that onto that. Then we literally go through, and I think this will work. we go. Start off at -2, put in 15. Is that on that one? Yeah. There we go, and I'm just going to do that. Then -1 is 11. Just make sure you're where you need to be. Then 0 is 7. And 1 is 3. And 2 should be -1, which is there. And then 3 is, well, it'll just keep going. So 1, 2, 3, next that way. Right, then if you want to be really good, get your ruler out and make sure it goes through all of those. But you didn't really need to do that much work. I just thought I'd do the lion's share just in case. So that's how you can do it so that it's all right. It doesn't necessarily need to require that much time or energy. Right, this is the last one I'm going to do on this video. So here are a list of 6 numbers written in order size. The numbers have a median of 9. So that means the point here between that one and that one is 9. So that means if you add 10 plus x and divide it by 2, it equals 9. So 10 plus x equals 2 times 9, which is 18. So x equals 8. That seemed like a lot of work because you could actually see it on a number line. Right, it's got a mean of 11. So find the value of x and find the value of y. So we know that all 6 of these added up together equals 11. So 6 times whatever it is, so all of these 6 numbers equals 11. So therefore, the total of all of these added up together is going to be 66. So altogether, if the mean is 11 and there's 6 numbers, you get 66. So if we add up what we've got so far, we've got 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 2y. And that gives us 18, 25, 29 plus 2y equals 66. That does seem very big, but then we know that y's are the biggest. So 29 from 66 gives us 36, 37. And y is going to be a half. It's going to be, well, let's just check I'm not being, so 66 minus 29 does equal 37 divided by 2 equals 18.5. So that must be the answer. So it's 8, 18.5 and 18.5. Right.